Hey guys, it's Jen. Welcome back to my channel. This week I have another grocery haul for you, and I also got some non-food items as well. So let me show you what I got from Walmart. I spent around $200, but honestly a lot of it was non-food stuff. Okay, so I've got kids over here playing, but they're all upstairs, so hopefully they won't make too much noise. But I'll start with the produce first. So I got some asparagus to have one night this week. It was pretty slim pickings at Walmart. It did not look great, but this was the best one I could find, so I picked that up. I also got 2 packages of cherry tomatoes. These are still on the vine. I've had them before. They're really good. If you can find these, they're nice and sweet. And then I also got just some blended cherry tomatoes, so these will be for a recipe this week as well as salads. I got a head of iceberg lettuce. I've been craving a wedge salad with blue cheese dressing, and so I'm planning on making those on the 4th of July along with some steak. We're going to have zoodles tonight for dinner, so I got 3 zucchini and 1 yellow squash. I got serrano pepper, just 1 for a recipe. Connor and Kira went with me to the grocery store, and Connor wanted a watermelon, so we picked up one of those. I got some broccoli for dinner one night this week, some limes, and then a container of the half and half mix. This is spring mix and baby spinach. This will be for salads and for a recipe this week. And then I also got some mint. I have some mint out on my deck in a pot, but it's not producing very well, and so I needed it for a recipe, so I just picked some up at the store. I also got some of my garlic stir-in paste. You guys know how much I love this. Makes it so much easier to use fresh garlic and you don't have to chop it. So I just got 1 24-pack of Diet Pepsi, and then I like this bubbly sparkling water. This one is the mango flavor, so I picked up an 8-pack of that. One night this week we're going to have Asian food, so I got some of the chicken pot stickers. We were just at Costco, so I'm kind of kicking myself. I should have bought some there, but I didn't, so I got this bag from Walmart. It was only $5, so not too bad. I picked up quite a bit of yogurt. The kids like to eat these flips for breakfast and snacks. I got 2 of the salted caramel crunch and 2 of the cookies and cream, which is their favorite. These are only 75 cents a piece at Walmart, so it's a pretty good price. I also got some yogurt for Adam and I. I tried to get the lowest sugar yogurt I could find because we're still doing low carb during the week. So I got 1 of the Dannon Light and Fit lemon meringue. I haven't tried this one before, but I really love lemon flavored stuff, so hopefully that's good. I also got 1 of the Oikos 000 chocolate flavor, 1 of the Light and Fit toasted coconut vanilla. I've had this before, it's pretty good. And 1 of the strawberry cheesecake Light and Fit, and then 1 of the peach Oikos 000. I've never had this one before. For lunch meat, I got some Castlewood uncured honey ham. I'm going to make some pickle roll-ups with this, and then we'll use it for sandwiches as well. I got some eggs. I got 2 bottles of cocktail sauce. We had shrimp the other night, and Adam was giving me a hard time because we had no cocktail sauce left in the house, so I went ahead and bought 2 bottles, 1 to keep in the pantry. I bought some of this white cranberry peach juice for the kids to have with breakfast, and then some pepperoni for snacks and lunches. I got 2 of these Green Giant veggie bags. 1 is the veggie tots. This is the broccoli and cheese. I've had this one before, but it's been a while, so those are pretty good. And then with our Asian food this week, Adam and I will have the cauliflower medley. This is the riced cauliflower with our stir fry. I don't know what my dog is doing over there, but he's being loud. I did get a bottle, or a jar, I'm sorry, of the Classico 4 cheese Alfredo to go with our supper tonight. Connor picked out these mini chocolate chip muffins, and then I needed a bag of Tostitos to keep in the pantry because we were out of tortilla chips. I also let the kids pick out, they wanted some of these little foodle things. So Connor picked out a Paw Patrol. This one has caramel dip, dog bone cookies, apples, and cheese. And then Kira picked out this Minnie Mouse one. It's got like goldfish crackers, cubed cheese, and apples. So for non-food, which is what I think ate up most of that $200 or $215 bill. I got 2 loofahs. Adam and I needed new ones of these, so these are only $1 at Walmart, so I try to replace them often. Kira was out of detangler, and this is the kind that she likes to use. And then she also needed some more conditioner. She wanted the Pantene Smooth and Sleek, so got that. She also picked out some air freshener for her bathroom. This is the Glade White Tea and Lily. I was also out of gallon Ziploc bags, which I did not realize when we were at Costco, so I'm kind of irritated at myself there because I would have got them there, but anyway, picked up a box of those. Adam wanted some more body spray, so I got him some of the Axe Phoenix. This smells really good. I got myself one of these keratin protein packs. This is like a high intensity conditioner that I like to use about once a week. I got some of these Lemmy Shine garbage disposal cleaner. I have not tried these before, but I've tried this brand, so hopefully these will be good. And then I was excited to see these Kleenex wet wipes in the Kleenex section. These are actually individually wrapped wet wipes, and there's 25 in there. I love to keep these in my purse because it always seems like when we're out, the kids get sticky or they need to go to the bathroom, and you know how messy that can get with a 5-year-old. So anyway, I'll keep some of these in my purse. That will be good to have this summer. I did get some more Post-it notes. I got a package of the rectangle ones, and this is kind of like a multi-pack of different sizes. And I also got some highlighters. I'm actually working on a program at work right now. It's an Improvement Advisor program that will be like a year-long program certification. It involves a lot of reading, and so I wanted to get some new highlighters and Post-it notes so that I could highlight and flag things in my books. Last couple of things I got. I am decorating a couple new shelves or bookcases that I got from Target, and so I saw this in the home decor section and thought it was pretty cute, so I'll put that there. And then Kira wanted this game. I did not plan on buying this when we went, but she's played this before at someone else's house, I think, and thought it was really fun, so I thought we'd get that to play together as a family. It's the Speak Out Kids versus Parents. If you guys have played that before, let me know. And I would also be interested to see what your favorite board game is to play with your kids. We have quite a few board games, and the kids really love playing them. I think our favorites are probably Monopoly Junior, and they like Clue Junior as well. And then I got Connor a life vest. Adam's parents have a boat, and so every summer I have to buy, well, Kira's actually fits from last year, but Connor's doesn't, and I ended up having to get him this small adult size, and every mom loves spending $20 on a life jacket that their kid's going to wear one summer and then grow out of it. So that is it, except for one more item, which I'll show you here in a second. Okay, so the lighting is probably a bit poor over here, and I'll show you guys this when I'm all done, but these windows here have the bamboo shades, which I like, but I wanted some shears also, so they're over there actually on that shelf. I bought a curtain rod from Home Goods, but it was it wasn't long enough. So I had to pick this up at Walmart today. This is just one of the Better Homes and Gardens drapery rods. So hopefully Adam can hang that up for me tonight, and I'll get those shears up. These are the 2 ladder shelves that I got from Target. You can see one there. I haven't really done much to this one yet, but this one over here I've started decorating with some of my Rae Dunn and different things. So yeah, I'm looking forward to getting some more decor on that shelf there, and I'll probably do a video of me decorating those once I have everything kind of collected. So that's it. Let me show you the meal plan. Before I show you the meal plan real quick, I'll just kind of walk through. I got another Grove order the other day. I'm really excited about this Mrs. Meyer's geranium scent. I don't have this yet, but I have the candle and it smells really good, so I ended up getting the hand soap and the multi-surface cleaner and the dish soap. And then I also love this Method All-Purpose Spray, but I don't have the clementine scent, so I decided to get that. This came for free with my order. It's the Lavender Castile soap. This says you can use it for a bunch of different things. I've never used it before, so if any of you have, leave me a comment and let me know how you use that. I got some of this Mrs. Meyer's laundry scent booster in the honeysuckle scent. This stuff smells really good, so I'm excited to use it. And then I just got some replacement sponges, as well as a 2-pack of the Grove towels. You guys know I love those. I'm trying to slowly replace all my kitchen towels with these. And then this is kind of an interesting product. I haven't tried it yet. This is the European dishcloth, and it says it kind of works like a paper towel. So I don't know, we'll see. And then it says when you're done with it, you can just put it in the dishwasher and clean it off. So if you guys are interested in trying out Grove, I always have a link in the description box below if you want to check that out. I believe with that link you get, I can't remember whether it's $10 off or a free Mrs. Meyer's set, but either way you get something. So I would encourage you to check that out if you like new cleaning supplies like I do. Okay, so let me show you what is on the meal plan for this week. Yesterday was Sunday, so last night we had the fajitas. Actually, by the time you guys watch this grocery haul, there will probably be a cook with me video on the fajitas, so make sure you check that out. So anyway, tonight we're going to have leftover meatballs that we had from supper a few nights back. The kids are going to have some tortellini. I'll make some zoodles, and I'll make some Caesar salad as well. Tuesday, we are going to have a new recipe for stir-fried pork. Let's see if I have it here. The dog is like trying to catch flies. It's ridiculous. Okay, so this is pork stir-fry with snap peas and cashews. This is from jessicagavin.com. So I thought we would try that. So we're going to have that with the cauliflower rice. I have some edamame in the freezer to use up, and then those dumplings, which mostly the kids will probably eat. So on the 4th, I have some T-bone steaks in the freezer that I'm going to cook up for Adam and I, and then the kids will have hot dogs. I have some red, white, and blue Rice Krispie treats, or I'm sorry, Rice Krispies that the kids and I are going to make kind of some patriotic Rice Krispie treats with. I'm going to make wedge salad and deviled eggs, and then we'll probably just have like fruit and chips and whatever else we have to use up. On Thursday, I'm going to try this recipe for this chicken pizzette. This was from Rachel Ray's magazine, I believe. But essentially it's a chicken cutlet with a homemade pesto, and you put mozzarella on top with tomatoes and arugula. It looks super good, so I am really excited to try this. And then Friday night we either have pizza or we'll go out, and then Saturday I want to make my ham croquettes, which is actually a recipe that was passed down to me by my grandmother on my dad's side. And if I do end up making those, I'll probably film a video because they're kind of unique. I don't know if anyone's ever heard of them before, but basically it's like a ham ball that is breaded and fried, and then you have it with cheese sauce and mashed potatoes and broccoli. It is super unhealthy, but it's really good. And then I just actually tore this recipe out of my Cooking Light magazine for the fancy blue cheese dressing, so I might try that instead of my old standby. So that is it. Hopefully this gave you some dinner inspiration for the week ahead. If you're not already subscribed, it would be awesome if you would do so. I post grocery hauls every Friday. So thanks again for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.